I want. Assalamu alaikum everyone.
Walaikum assalam.
Today we have a topic here about YouTuber. That being a YouTuber is a good option or not, and YouTube also is a boon or ban for us. I think being a YouTuber is a good option, and if you become YouTuber, you can earn this much money that you cannot earn while doing any kind of job and any kind of work. If I tell you the specialities of YouTube, the one of the speciality of a YouTube is that it is free to use. It is free of cost. Means YouTube you can use it anywhere at any time. It will not charge a penny from you. And you can upload your videos if you are creative, if you are talented. You can show your talent on YouTube. You can make videos like in which you are interested, like motivational videos. You can make gaming videos and educational videos. Also, you can make like Akram sir is also making English videos. Second thing, how can you earn money from YouTube? If you are making engaging content, YouTube will run ads on your videos and you can sell membership of your channel. You can start your own affiliate link. You can promote other products as well. And second thing, what you can do, you can make sponsorship videos as well. Like this you can earn from YouTube. And second thing, second speciality, if I tell you about YouTube, if you are not able to get anything, like if in educational purpose, if I'm telling like anything, any topic, if you are doubted, if you have a doubt on any topic, you can search on the YouTube and there are thousands of creators. They will teach you in a better way. They will clear your all doubts and you will be able to interact more and more with them. And third thing, like as most of my opponents they mentioned here about the bad company, bad environment, that on the YouTube we have a bad content creators like Carrie Minati, Round to Hell. They are making the bad videos. They are they are defaming the India and they are defaming the youngsters and they are just wasting our time. They are abusing on the YouTube. You know what? It's up to you. Carrie Minati and Round to Hell, they are not coming to you that watch our videos, and if you don't watch our videos, our channel will not grow. They are not saying to you, it's up to you. And they are doing stupidity in a better way. They are turning stupidity into a content. Not everyone can do this thing. Okay, it's also a kind of talent. And second thing, on YouTube, if you think that they are making the bad contents, they are wasting our time. So you shouldn't watch their videos. You can watch scholars, like there are many scholars on YouTube, many Islamic scholars. You can watch their bayans, you can watch their recitation and explanation of Islam. No one is saying to you that watch their videos, and YouTube will recommend you only those things, whatever you watch. If you watch Kariminati video, they will recommend you Kariminati videos. If you watch Islamic videos, only YouTube will recommend you Islamic videos. Nothing except it. Now you have
Okay. Assalamu alaikum to everyone. My name is Muhammad Ishan and today we delve into a topic that touches millions of hearts and has changed the way of looking at the media. Is YouTube good or bad? Or specifically, being a YouTuber is good or bad? So in my approach, it's bad. Being a YouTuber is bad as well as YouTube is bad. First of all, I would like to answer him. As he told that Kariminati is not coming at your home, then watch our video, then we will get there, our channel will be monetized, we will be able to earn money. Then why YouTube algorithm is like this? It suggests that kind of videos. Why?
Because
and it's not like that I watch videos of them, so it would only recommend to my in my phone. No, it recommends in all the phones in which YouTube is available. And next thing, someone was mentioning from there, why are you using YouTube when YouTube is this much bad? Don't use YouTube. Okay, we don't want to use YouTube. YouTube is not saying to us, use me, use me, use me. So why in all the phones YouTube is pre-installed? Why? Whenever we buy a phone, we don't need to download the YouTube in that. It is already installed there. Why? So that we can use that. Okay. Next thing, ad revenue. He is mentioning the thing. If you are a businessman, you can do the paid promotion. You can run your advertisement on YouTube. You will be the richest person in the world. Brother, nothing happens like this. You know how many people are earning money by the YouTube? Only 6%. Means 3 lakh people approx. 3 lakh people are just earning money by the YouTube, and from that 1% means 30,000 people are just doing paid promotion all over the world. And next thing, if I'm a businessman, I want to run the ad of my any product on any video, any big YouTuber's video, I will have to pay money to that YouTuber first. Second, the revenue which I will get by the YouTube how much will I get? Only 35%. Like if I earn 100 rupees, so I will be given only 35. Is this worth? Of course not. Instead of doing this, brother, I will go to the estates and do the advertisement of my products. That would be better. And next thing, I would like to mention about the sensitive content. They are saying we can take education from the YouTube. Okay, we can take, there are a lot of channels on which education is provided to us, like Physics Wala. First of all, they all do not provide all the things. Like study everything, you will be the topper. Nothing happens like this. They have their own apps. Physics Wala, he has his own app where we have to buy the courses. And no one is mad to give you the education for free of cost. And wait, this last thing, that if they are not giving first. Second thing, sensitive content. 45% of the content on YouTube is sensitive, which is not for the people and students who are under 18, who are teenagers, and it is the second most watched content. Why? Tell me why YouTube should do something from there. Why there is not any option in YouTube regarding age restricted? Why? When it is available in other social media apps? Tell me.
As you mentioned about Carrie Minati, that if I speak here about the Carrie Minati is very talented person. That is why he's the number one YouTuber of Asia. You know, I agree that he abuses, but the people are enjoying his content, and he makes very engaging contents, and you can say very entertainment content. That is why the people are liking his content. And second thing, you are saying that only 3% of the people, they are able to make a career on the YouTube. You know why? 97% of the people, they are not able to make career on the YouTube. Why? Because they think that YouTube is a piece of cake. We can make career only in a jiffy. We can make career on YouTube only in a jiffy. Only we will upload only 3 and 4 videos, and our videos will be on trending. We will be the biggest YouTuber of India. But it is not like that. It needs patience. You will have to be a patient person. You need discipline. You need punctuality. Then you will be able to become something. Like take an example of Avengers. They told that earlier they had a channel, and on that channel they had approximately 1 million of subscribers, and it got banned. Even then they didn't quit, and they started working hard, and now they have over 17 million subscribers on their channel, and they got opportunity to visit Dubai from the YouTube. Now they are living a lavish life, and they are enjoying in a Dubai.
Listen. It's not like, yeah, I agree. In every field, we have to work hard for getting the success. But in YouTube, there is no guarantee that you are working hard, you have got tripod, camera, mic, everything, that will you succeed in your life or not. But in other fields, we have. Next thing, I would like to answer some of my opponents. First of all, Safia. She mentioned that Ronaldo is earning a lot of money by the YouTube. Ronaldo is this, Ronaldo is that. First of all, I would like to show you one thing. According to the Google, because I don't trust on YouTube. Look at this. Ronaldo is not allowed to create channel on YouTube, and she's saying he's earning a lot of money. He's a rich person, and she is not only one from there. Second, Sofia, she was saying we can represent our country by the YouTube. Means we don't have Olympic Games to represent our country. We don't have military. Sir, wait, Sarji, wait. Just listen. We don't have Olympic Games to represent our country. We don't have military power to represent our country. And Aisha, she said a lot of people are cracking exam on YouTube by studying on YouTube. Count me 5 around us. Count me 5 people who have cracked the NEET. Arbaz bhai, Anas bhai, they used to come in our coaching. Did they crack the NEET by studying on YouTube? They used to go to the coaching. Okay, it's not piece of cake that go to the YouTube study and you will be the topper. Nothing happens like this.